There are truths in life that never change. No matter the year, the culture, or the storm you are walking through, these truths remain unbreakable, unshaken, unmoved. Today, we reflect on these truths. The world that constantly shifts, where opinions change by the hour, where people come and go, there are a few things that remain. Truths that don't shake, principles that don't bend, foundations that don't crack, no matter the storm. If you are tired of chasing validation, if you are done living on edge, then it's time to return to what is real, to what is internal, to what can hold you even when the world can't. These are the truths that rebuild you, that rewires you, that realign you with purpose. Today, we're going to look at those truths. 7 unshakable truths of life. Truth 1. Life is short. Live it while you are here. Live it with purpose. Live it with focus. Live it with God. This is the first truth about life, that you don't have the entire time in the world. Life is short. Every second is a gift. Most people wait for the weekend to come for them to start what they want to do with their life. Wait for the perfect time to come. Wait for the pain to end before they start living. But what if I told you life doesn't wait? It happens, and it happens now. Live while you are here. If you need to forgive someone, forgive that person. Stop living in your past. Do the things that scares you. Take the first step towards accomplishing what your life wants. You don't have 1,000 years to live here on planet Earth, so you better get up and start working right now on your dreams. Get up. Life isn't about getting through the day. It's about waking up to the miracle that the day ever exists. Truth number 2. Pain is part of growth. Every rose has a thorn. Every storm has a purpose. And every great transformation begins with resistance. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is not here to break you. Pain is here to build you up. You don't grow when things are easy. You grow when you choose to stay standing even when it hurts. You are becoming something great when you go through the pain. Trust the process. Honor the struggle. Let pain shape you, not define you. Truth number 3. Comparison is a thief. You are not meant to compete. You were meant to contribute. The moment you start comparing yourself to other people, you start decreasing. You start putting yourself at a lower standard. You start putting yourself in average. Comparison gets you to the average. Comparison gets you distracted. The moment you start comparing yourself, you forget your value. You are not too late. You are not behind. You are not less. Stop comparing yourself. Start running your race. Stay in your lane and stop being distracted. Celebrate others, but don't question your worth. You are enough just as you are, right where you are right now. Truth number 4. Time is your greatest currency. You can lose money and make it back. You can lose anything and find them again. But time never returns. The moment is being wasted. The hours you spend angry, anxious, distracted, they are gone and gone forever. And these hours can be the hours that can change your life. So start using your time wisely. Build yourself, heal, grow. Spend time with those who matter. And give yourself permission to live, not just to exist. Spend your time with things that will build your future for you. Truth number 5, you can't do life alone. Strength isn't isolation. Strength is knowing when to reach out, when to ask, when to say, I can't carry this by myself. We aren't created to do life alone. We need each other. Support is not weakness, it's wisdom. It is okay to ask for help from other people. It's okay to say you are tired. There is a strength in vulnerability. You are not a burden. What value can you add in the life of other people? How can you help people? You are not here to do it alone. You are here to contribute value in the life of people. Truth number 6, you can become what you believe. Every action begins with a thought. Thoughts becomes your word. Your word becomes your action. Your actions becomes habits. Habits becomes your character. Character becomes your destiny. What you believe about yourself becomes the reality. So speak life, think power, feed your faith, feed your mind with the right things. Stop feeding at your past. You are not your past. You are not your failure. You are not your fear. You have potentials. You can make a progress today. You have purpose. So believe in yourself. Speak life to yourself every single day. What you speak over yourself, you become. So speak truth, speak life, speak victory every single day. Truth number 7, you were made for more. There is something inside you the world needs. You have a gift. You have a message to pass to the world. You are called to do something here on planet Earth. You are not made to settle. You are not made to survive. You were made to strive. More than ordinary, more than average. You are called. What can you add to the world? Don't just exist and exit this world without leaving something to be remembered for. You are more than that. You are more than what you think you are. You are rising. You are ready to take action on your life. And don't you quit. You were born to be a different, to add value in the life of other people. So the world will shake, seasons will shift, people will fail you, but truth remains. You don't need perfect circumstances, you just need solid ground beneath your soul. So walk in it, walk in these 7 habits. Walk in these 7 unshakable truths about life. Stand on it. Live in it boldly. These are not just words. They are anchors. They are lights. They are you. You are stronger than you think, more capable than you feel, and far more called than you know. Remember this truth. Repeat the truth. Become the truth. Because the world doesn't need more noise. It needs more people who are unshakable. Thank you for listening. And remember, it is not too late to become who you are born to be. Peace, friends.